Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Lipu from Dream of Zayan. In today's video content, I will show you how you can verify your Facebook account. In fact, verified Facebook account means a lot. Yeah, if your Facebook ID is verified, then in that case, there is little chance of your ID to be disabled. Okay, you know that there is many bad guys, bad person who usually who loves to report any ID or any video content of our ID, and in that case, Facebook authority may disable our ID. Okay. But if your ID is verified, then there is no chance for your ID to be disabled. Okay. Okay, I think, okay, I am ensuring you that after showing the full video content, full video content, you'll be able to verify your ID. Okay, let's start. To verify your Facebook account, first of all, you have to open the Facebook apps from your mobile. Okay, I am opening the Facebook apps, and now you have to click on the menu bar which is at the top right corner of the screen. Okay, now I am clicking on the menu bar. Yes, after clicking on the menu bar, we have to scroll down. Yes, and at the ending, you will find that the settings and the privacy. Okay, now we are clicking on the settings and privacy. Yes, after clicking on the setting and privacy, now you should click on the setting. Okay, setting. Yes. Okay, at the very beginning, you will find one option which is personal information. Okay, I am clicking on personal information. Yes, the first option is name, MG Nurul Huda. Please keep in mind that your name on the Facebook should be exactly same as your identity card. That means your passport, your national ID card, or like that. Okay, should be exactly same. Okay, otherwise Facebook authority will not verify your account. Okay, now you have to click on the contact info to update your phone numbers and the email address. As my phone numbers and email address are already updated in the Facebook, I don't need to update here. Okay, now I have to click on identity confirmation. Okay, yes, after clicking on identity confirmation, now I have to click on confirm your identity. Okay, yes, now I have to select my country. That means my country is Bangladesh, so I am clicking on Bangladesh. Yes, there is two options. One is personal ID and another one is two-factor authentication. First of all, you have to on the two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication is completed and it is on in my Facebook. Okay, so I don't need to on it again. In fact, two-factor authentication is the first step to verify your account. You have to Facebook authority will send the 6-digit code to your mobile number, and you have to update this on the option and then go to next. After that, the two-factor authentication will be on in your ID. Okay, so after that, we have to click on personal ID or notarized document. Okay, now I am clicking on personal ID or notarized document. Yes. Okay, first option is upload your ID and second option is have a form notarized. Okay, I am clicking on upload your ID. Okay, now I have to click on next. Yes, I want to verify my account with national ID card. Okay, so I have to click on national ID card. Yes, now I have to click on next. Yes, now I have to take the picture of my national ID card. Okay, yes, I think I should take the picture again. Okay, retake photo, retake photo. Yes, I think now it is okay. If you think that the information in the voter ID, the picture is readable, then you can click on submit. Okay, submit. You cannot confirm your identity at this time. In fact, there has some technical problem, technical issue, and in fact, this is the process how you can verify your account. Okay, due to COVID-19 or some technical issues, right now the Facebook authority are not verify any account. That's why that's the main problem. Okay, but this is the process how you can verify your account. Okay, Allah Hafiz. I am sorry that due to some technical issues or due to COVID-19 situation, Facebook authority do not verify any account right now. Okay, that's why I could not show you in details. But this is the process. This is the process how you can verify your account. Okay. If you are new here and if you think that I am doing good and I at least I am trying better to give you or to know you something good news, please subscribe my channel and like or comment also. Okay. আল্লাহ হাফেজ আসসালামু আলাইকুম